To my kitchen. Okay, no, I am not done up. Today is Sunday, and if you want to be real, this is how I cook dinner on Sundays in my house. I was not feeling the makeup and the wrap. It's hot. I'm already sweating. It's raining outside, and I'm freaking tired. But guess what? You're gonna see what we cooking for Sunday. For you may want to cook it for your mothers for Mother's Day. On the menu, I had roasted barbecue chicken. I am doing the main course of this dish is the carrots. I am doing a butter garlic honey carrot for the vegetables. I'm doing like some garlic mashed potatoes, red garlic mashed potatoes, just because, see, when I cook my potatoes, I leave a couple of peels on them. So just to give this some color. And that's going to be some garlic for your butt. And let's get started. And I'm doing stuffing and corn muffins, but the focus of this video is going to be the carrots, and let's do this chicken. I just want to give you guys the whole meal of what I'm cooking. Guys, we had to change that battery. Okay, chicken. I had 2 whole chickens here. These are not roasters or anything. Roasters are way bigger than this. These are just regular old chicken, and I'm gonna stuff them with some lemon and onions. That helps with the flavors and things like that. I also have some melted butter right here that I'm going to put all over this before I add my seasoning. So, I already washed my hands, guys. Okay, we started with an onion and lemon. Then I'm going to do another onion. And these are just onions, 1 lemon, and this chicken is small. And I cut 1 lemon into 4 pieces. Okay. I'm going to go in with my onion in here. Then the lemon, and this is to help to give it flavor. That's it. Some more onions right in there, and then stick it in with my lemon. This cavity is not very big. Okay, so I'm gonna put some chicken broth. In the bottom of the pan. This is what I'm gonna. It's about maybe like. This is a cup of chicken broth. That smells good. Now this chicken has got water in it, so you know chicken make its own water. Then I'm going to take my butter. And you don't have to melt the butter. If you have soft butter, you could just, this is unsalted butter, guys. You could just, you know, do what you do. Take the butter and rub it down. And this will help to make the chicken golden brown. Remember, this is my kitchen. I do it my way, and I just lay the foundation for you to do it your way. Because sometimes I do softened butter, sometimes I do melted butter. I feel like doing the melted butter. I'm going in with some seasoning salt on here. I got my oven preheated at 375. This chicken is not going to cook long, about maybe 2 hours. That's it. Got some Mrs. Dash here. You want to season that bird. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to get dried out. I have some white pepper that I'm using today. And you can use black pepper. I decided to use the white because it was at hand. It was easy for me to get. And some garlic powder. That's my oven is ready. It was preheated. As much seasoning as you want. You know, if you have anything extra you want to add to it, go for it. I'm going to double my pan because this is kind of weak. This will go in the oven at 375. I'm going to come back at the halfway mark, about maybe an hour and 30 minutes, let you guys see what is going on. And that's it. We're going to do the carrots when this get halfway done. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, my chicken is still cooking. So let's do these carrots. They're Butter, garlic, honey. And remember, the focus the focus of this video is all about the carrots. This is the recipe I'm giving you guys this week, but I'm just letting you know what I'm cooking with it, because it's all about the carrots. You know, Mother's Day coming, you want to try different veggies and stuff for your mom. So the carrot been washed off. I cleaned it, you know, get all that outer skin off, and then I'm going to take the butt off this carrot. Then I'm going to dice it diagonal, just like this. I mean, and it's up to you how you want to dice it. Ooh. You can dice them thin, chunky. I make y'all hear that noise. Just make sure you move your hands as you move down with the knife. And I'm doing it diagonal. Don't cut yourself. And I'm just going to put it all in here. In my bowl, these carrots have been washed and everything. This is the trash bowl. Now, right here in my pan, have half a stick of unsalted butter. Doing this thing right. We're going to take, you can use fresh garlic. I'm using minced garlic. It makes the job a lot easier. Take a couple of tablespoons of my minced garlic. You know, the ingredients to this carrot recipe is going to be in the description bar. Now, I have about 7 carrots that I did. I got a large family. And let's stir this up. And let me turn this down some. On number 4. Oh, it is the carrots and the butter alone already smells wonderful, right? This is going in the oven because we're roasting it. Roasted butter, garlic, carrots. My tablespoon and my honey. I'm going to go in with 3 because, again, I have like 7. 3 tablespoons, okay? It's a little bit over. It fell over. I have like 7 carrots, guys. And basically, this is just going to coat the carrots. This sauce. And the whole thing is all about the, now let's stir it for a few minutes. Ooh, look there. I want to get all that spoon, all that off there. Come on, honey. Slow motion. Oh, man. Then just go in with your carrots. Just go in with your carrots. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now, I did find the my black pepper. This is what I want for this recipe. You know, how much salt and pepper is up to you. You know, the end results when you taste them, you know, about seasoning your food. I'm just giving you the recipe. And then you're just going to let this, you want that, look at that. You just want that glaze to get all over those carrots. And I'm going to let this simmer. I'm going to stir it up. I want to get that honey and that butter and that garlic juices. You see how it's shining? Now make sure all your carrots is nice and shiny, and just let it coat. Look at that. That looks perfect. I'm going to let this just simmer like for 5 minutes in here with the butter and the honey. And then knowing me, because this is a lot of carrots, I should have used the whole stick, but I didn't want too much. I think this is enough. Can you see all the juices still in there? And mix with that, that's more than enough. Because all this is going to transfer onto my cooking sheet that I have here with aluminum foil. I'm going to let this go ahead and simmer in this for at least about 10 minutes before I put them on my sheet, put them in my oven. I'm not going to top it with a top or anything. Just let it simmer on top of the stove. I done got all the juices in it for 10 minutes. Then we're going to come back, put them in the oven, throw some parsley flakes on them, and let them cook. Be back in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I cut my carrots off. I did like 10 minutes. My son tasted one already. They haven't been roasted yet. Okay. Go in with the parsley. Orange and green just look pretty, right? And we're going to stir it up. And then we're going to hand me that rag over there. I got my oven turned up to 400. My chicken is already done. And I'm going to show you guys that. Oh, you know what I be doing. And this is gonna go right over top of here, just like that. The juices and all. Look at all of that. Mmm. And I don't even know if I made enough. Hope everybody may not eat it. I don't know. But this going in the oven, roasted on 400 for about 15 minutes or so. Let's get them nice and roasted on 400. And while we're doing that, that's the oven ready. Here go the chicken. They're nice and done. My dad want barbecue sauce. I'm gonna leave the little one with no barbecue sauce. And the big one, we'll be getting barbecue sauce. Everybody says, no, I don't put barbecue sauce. I want that crunchy skin. So, the crunchy skin they will have. One with barbecue sauce, one without. Your mom will love it no matter which way. All of this is now going in the oven on 400 just to get the barbecue sauce going, just to get a little bit more crispiness to the skin. But my chicken is done and ready. Go back to my carrots. These are going in the oven. Remember, this is the recipe you guys looking for. I'm just showing you what I'm cooking with it. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, this video is coming to an end. I'm in my Sunday's best. I'm in the house chilling. I cook dinner for the kids. And remember, if the video is about the carrots. Okay, see my carrots? They came out so good. Let's get them out. Oh, they get stuck to the daggone thing. I need to use some tongues, don't I? Yeah. Let me switch that over to the tongues. And they got caramelized and everything. And there they get stuck. But just pull them apart. And you can make yours as, you know, I roasted these like for 20, 25 minutes. And my alarm went off because I had a whole plate full of, a whole sheet pan full of carrots. So that little honey sauce and stuff, you know, it will send your alarm off. So, guys, but look at that. Look at the glaze on them things. And yeah, some of them stuck. I'm pulling them up. My son said they burnt. They not burnt. That caramelization right there, that crispiness. Come on now. Your mom gonna love this. Come on back on Tuesday. Y'all getting this on Monday. Stay tuned on Tuesday for mukbang. Andrew. Yes, look at that. They look gorgeous. Oh my God. Tastes good too. Look, we drop them, we pick them up. We drop them, we pick them up. They taste amazing. Okay, them ones stuck. Those ones are truly stuck. But we ain't gonna deal with those ones. We're gonna sit this to the side, bring this on, and what happened to my parsley flakes? You know I gotta make everything pretty with the parsley flakes. I don't know where they went to. Did I put them up? I put them up. Sprinkle them with some parsley flakes. Put them in the center of your table. And there you go. But, again, this is about the recipe. I want you to like, share, subscribe. But let's make a plate. Because I want you guys to see what it's going with, right? Andrew doing the mukbang. He said he want barbecue chicken instead of the roasted chicken. These, so I'm going to cut in there. Look at that chicken. I'm going to put it up with, pick up with these tongs. Oh my God, that is so good. Let me make this plate and we'll be back. Okay guys, we are back. This is the plate. I'm saying make this for your mom for Mother's Day. Homemade mashed potatoes. I left the skin. I diced some potatoes. Left about 3 potatoes, red potatoes with the skin on it, just for decoration. Some chicken stuffing, some barbecue roasted chicken, and some butter, honey, garlic, carrots. This is what this video is about. The recipe to some carrots is going to be linked below in the description. Again, guys, like, share, subscribe. Tell everybody what I'm doing here on this channel. This is a full Mother's Day meal. Happy Mother's Day.